Students, today's topic is classification of vegetables. Vegetables may be classified on the basis of life cycle, edible or economic parts of the plant, adaptation, botanical features, and the most important is botanical classification. On the basis of life cycle, vegetables are classified based on the life cycle. Vegetables may be classified as annuals, biennials, or perennials. Annual vegetables. Most vegetables garden crops are true annuals, such as corn, GMAs, are cultivated as annuals, such as tomato, Lycophyllum esculentum. These plants are selected for their fall or summer cultivation. They require a few weeks to several months to maturity depending on the cultivar. Biennial vegetables are those out of which few are popular vegetable garden crops are biennials, and even then they are frequently cultivated as annuals and replanted each season. Examples are sugar beet, Beta vulgaris, and carrot, Daucus carota. Perennial vegetables. Whenever perennial vegetables, garden crops are cultivated, they must be strategically located so as not to interfere with seasonal land preparation activities needed for planting annual crops. These plants may be pruned to control growth or to remove dead tissue. Examples are asparagus, Aspergus officinalis, and horseradish, Rhodope arboraceae. Edible or economic parts. The second classification of vegetables. Vegetables may be operationally classified according to the parts of the plant harvested for food or other uses. For example, pods. Pods are legumes that are harvested prematurely, cooked, and eaten with seeds inside. When harvesting is delayed, pods develop fiber and become stringy and undesirable for fresh use. Examples are green bean and okra. Roots. Sometimes primary plant parts, stem, root, and leaf may become modified as storage organs for food. Roots may become enlarged as a result of accumulation of stored food. The roots are dug and eaten, baked, boiled, or fried. An example is a sweet potato. Bulb vegetables like roots, bulbs are modified stems and leaves as found in onions. The stem is highly compressed to form what is called a basal plate, while the leaves are storage organs. Tuberous vegetables. Tubers look like modified roots. The, different, the difference between them is that tubers are swollen stem, whereas roots are swollen roots. Greens. Greens are vegetables, crops, which leaves are usually picked at tender stages to be used for food. The leaves are generally cooked before being eaten. Classification of vegetables according to adaptation. Just like fruit, certain vegetables species prefer cool temperatures during production, and others prefer warm temperatures based on seasons in which they grow best. Vegetables may be classified into two groupings. Cool season vegetables. Cool season crops require monthly temperatures of 15 to 18 degrees centigrade. Examples are sugar beet, Beta vulgaris, cabbage, Brassica oleracea. Second one is warm season. Warm season crops prefer monthly temperatures of 18 to 27 degrees centigrade. Examples are okra, Hibiscus esculentus, eggplant, Solanum melongena, corn, GMAs, and salad, Allium cepa. It should be mentioned that plant breeders have developed cultivars with wide adaptation for many crop species. For example, popular garden crops including corn, tomato, and pepper are grown over a wide range of climates. Even though cultivars with cold or heat tolerance may have been bred for different crops. Commercial large scale production occurs in regions of best adaptation of these crops. Unless production is under a controlled environment. Next, classification based on botanical features. Vegetables may be classified according to special botanical characteristics they share in common. Wine. Vines are plants with stems that need physical support. Without it, they creep on the ground or climb onto other nearby plants in cultivation. Examples are fresh pumpkin and cucumber. Solanaceous plants. Solanaceous plants belong to the family Solanaceae. Examples are eggplant, tomato, and pepper. Cole crops. Cole plants belong to the Brassica family. Examples are cabbage, cauliflower, and broccoli. Brassica oleracea variety botrytis. Botanical classification. Botanical classification is based on taxonomical relationship among different vegetables. Plant kingdom is divided into four sizes: Thallophyta, Bryophyta, and Pteridophyta, and Spermatophyta. All vegetables belong to division Angiosperms of Spermophyta. It is further divided into two classes: monocotyledons and dicotyledons. The family-wise distribution of vegetables under the classes is as follows. Monocotyledony vegetables belong to this particular group's family Alliaceae, Allium cepa, Allium cepa variety aggregatum or multiplier onion, Allium cepa variety viviparum top onion, Allium porum leek, Allium sativum garlic, Allium fistulacum Welsh onions, and Allium ascolonicum salad, Allium Iconospermum chive. Family Liliaceae. Asparagus officinalis belongs to this Liliaceae family. It's a perennial vegetables. Family Araceae. Dioscorea alata, Dioscorea esculenta, and Colocasia esculenta. These are the vegetables which belong to the family Araceae. Family Poaceae. This is new name of this particular family. Old name is Graminea. GMA sweet corn, Dicotyledone. Family Azoaceae, Tetragonia expansa, New Zealand. Family Chionopodaceae, Beta vulgaris, beetroot and palak, Beta vulgaris variety Sisla, Swiss chard, Spanish oleracea, spinach, Artiplex hortensis, Chakwa chorus, Chiropodium album Bathua, family Asteraceae, Sacorium intivus, Chicory, Sacorium indiva, Indive, Lactuga sativa, Latius, Cyanera escorium artichoke, family Convolvulaceae, Ipomyobatatas, it is sweet potato, family Brassicaceae, crucifery, Brassica oleracea variety Acipella, Brassica oleracea variety Gemnifera, Brassica oleracea variety capitata, Brassica oleracea variety botrytis cauliflower, Brassica oleracea variety Italica sprouting broccoli, Brassica colropa colloquial norcol, Brassica nepus variety Nephrobrassica rutabaga, Brassica acacia, Brassica gentiana leaf mustard, Brassica chinensis, Brassica pekinensis, Chinese cabbage, Aromaricia rustiaceae, horseradish, Raphanus sativus radish, family Cucurbitaceae. Cucurbita pepo, summer squash, Cucurbita mosqueta, pumpkin, Cucurbita maxima, winter squash, Cucurbita lanatus, winter melon, Cucumis mellow, musk melon, Cucumis mellow variety Mordica, snap melon, Cucumis mellow variety Pitilacine, long term, Cucumis mellow variety common oriental picking pear, Cucumis sativus cucumber, Practice Citrullus pestolosus, Sycium edule, Lupa econola, Lupa cylindrica, Laginarius acaria, Trichogenthus dioica, pointed guard, Trichogenthus angunia, snake guard, Momotica chinacea, bitter guard, Bain, Gassa aspida, ice guard, family Euphorbiaceae, Manihot, Esculenta, Tapioci, family Pevaceae, Legumineaceae, Phaisum Saraivum, Phaseolus vulgaris French bean, Phaseolus leonatus lima bean, Vicia faba and broad bean, Vigna angulata cowpea, Cymopsis tetragonal cluster bean, Vigna angulata variety, Sesquipedala, asparagus bean, Lubula purpureus, Lubula bean, Glycine max soybean, Sophocarpus tetragonolobus, wing bean, Trigona phainum graecum methi, Trigona corniculata kasuri methi. Vegetables belong to Malvaceae, Abelmaster esculenta, very important. Family Solanaceae, Solanum tuberosum, potato, Solanum melangana, brinjal, Solanum lycopersicum, tomato. Family Apiaceae, Umbelliferae, Daucus carota, Pterosellium crispum, Optimum graveolens, Pistacea sativa species.